Hey everyone, Nathan here. We're going to have a look at how we can do fill commands using command blocks in Minecraft Education Edition. We've also got our fill command, and this one is good for kind of opening up passages or doing kind of quick like block area builds. So in this case, let's have a look. We want to kind of open up the next section. And these are those coordinates for the passage to open, but I'm going to show you specifically how I got those numbers. So if I walk over here, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to knock these out. So let's get rid of them because I can put them back. And I'm just going to stand, because this is the space I want to fill. I'm going to fill it with air. And so if I stand here, that's my first coordinate. So I want my first air block to go at 505, 32, 117. And then I want it to fill to this block here. So if I walk over, I've got different numbers. I've got 503, which is right. I've got 32, but that's going to change, and 117 has changed. The 32 is the height. So if I jump, see how that goes to 33. So technically, if this position here, so that block there is technically 32, this block must be 33, and then that block must be 34. And so that is where I want to fill from. So I want to fill with air from here, and that is 505, 32, 117 to this block here. So I want to fill all of this space to here, and that block is 505, 34, 117. So let's set that up. Let's see what that looks like. I'm going to fill this back in so it actually works the way that I want it to work. And we'll come in here and we're going to use a composter. So we're going to need some leaves, and I've already got a command block, so we'll leave that one there. Let's put our command block down first, and then what we do is it's going to be /fill. Then it's going to be what's the coordinates you want to fill. So I want to go from 505, 32, 117 to 505, 34. That's the change. Sorry, 503. 34, 117. This is why it helps to write them down. And then you just have to specify what do you want to fill it with. So you can fill it with any block, but in this case, I just want to fill it with air. So I'm going to write air, place it in, and then I'm going to finish off my design here. So let's put down this comparator. Let's put down this composter. And then what I might say is, you know, if I'm designing something, you've got to start filling this up. And then because I've filled it up with leaves, that space there has now opened because this command has been executed.